Hello everyone, my name is Dewa Riwandi S. Tumorang. I am from Polytechnic Negeri Batam. My major is Instrumentation Engineering. My name is 3233221100 and 6. My title is Safety or Emergency Procedure. And now I want to present the cause of the fire. Electricity is the biggest cause of fire today. So, what caused electricity to be the first rank cause of fire in society? Using sockets that are stacked together should be avoided because this will increase the risk of fire. Replacement of all fuse correctly or not according to size electricity, the full cable connecting or loose socket, short circuit or short circuit. If the safety or fuse is working properly, then if a short circuit occurs, the fuse will break or the MCB will trip or down, then a fire will not occur overload wire mats. And next is the fire impact. So, fire impact is fire flame can burn the skin or body of human and animals trapped inside, resulting in severe burn scars. High heat temperature will cause hyperthermia. Fire smoke can interfere with vision and cause shortness of breath, making people inside unconscious. Toxic gas from burning chemical object can cause health problem. The burning structure will be collapsed and trap the victim inside. It can trigger an explosion that can injure people nearby and expand the fire area, especially if a fire occurs in a fuel factory, firework factory, and the like. So the next is emergency procedure fire. I want to present them step by step. The first one is when you hear an alarm, stay calm and don't panic. Number two is immediately go to the nearest emergency stand by walking normally, quickly but not running. Next, number three is the take off high heels as they make it difficult in footstep. Number four is do not bring item larger than a bag, cash or handbag. The number five is tell other people or guests who are still in other rooms to evacuate immediately. Number six is when the view is covered by smoke, walk by creeping against the wall or handrail on the stair, adjusting short breaths. And number seven is do not turn around because it will be collide with the people behind you and hinder the evacuation. And the last step is number 8. Immediately go to the gathering point in the place to wait for the next instruction. And this is my presentation. If I have a fault, I say sorry. Thank you for your attention and thank you for your watching. My name is Dewa Riwandi S. Tumorang. See you and goodbye.